What is up, y'all? This is John B here, and I'm back with some more gaming action on my channel. So I had to go back into a game that I've had for, ever since the beginning, but just haven't played it in a long while. And that game is now ever done, right here in the left corner there, America 8 Deluxe. I'm going to try to get a Switch 2. I can't make any promises about that, though, because the America World game for it really has my interest. The $80 price tag for the game itself, not so much. That's crazy. But in any case, though, for right now, before we get that, that's not going to come out till June 5th, which not that far away from right this point, actually. Let's get into America 8 Deluxe and see just how we can do and win these here races. Say it, Mario. There we go. Press L and R to start. Single player, of course. I don't want to play with me right now. Yeah, 50cc, I got the most trophies there, but that's such a boring closed circuit. Ugh. I guess it's good for if you're just playing for the first time, though, but I used to do 100cc first, but now I'm more into doing 150cc at least, or mirror. Alright, so let's do mirror. I usually use Peach, because I like Peachy. I might go for someone else different this time. Let's do Daisy. Yoshi Bike. Yeah, why not? Yeah, let's do Flower Cup. Actually, I'm going to do two races at once, but I might do one with Daisy and do one other one with someone else. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, that stupid Koopaling. Sorry, Peach, I'm gonna lap you. Better you than me, Waluigi. Better you than me. Oh no. Stupid ass Goomba. Fucking Goomba, get out of the way. Oh, this is a disaster. Take second place. The very princess I like to use in this game actually managed to beat me in first place, which tells me I probably should use Peach in the first place though, but I want to go with someone brand new for a change. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had a phone call I had to answer, but everything's okay right now. Let's go into the next race. Here's hoping we can get more than second place this time around. Keep on the gas a little bit longer. That's right. Right up on the wall. What the fuck was that? I did that on purpose. Yes, I did, guys. Oh! Did you see that? That was freaking lucky! Imagine getting on that ramp in time. Don't try it again unless I'm very sure I'm going to make that jump. Who are you firing at? Stupid idiot. Oh, you fucker. Fuck it. Watch out for that trolley. Trolley ollie. Stay away from the track. I could have went that way too for the iron box if I was afraid I was going to get hit by that trolley though. This time I was sure I was going to make it. I was going to make that ramp up there. Yeah, don't hold onto the bomb for too long because it'll explode right on you. It's not worth it. Get rid of it as soon as you get it. Second place again. Waluigi, that fucking little purple butt munch. And after all that, I dropped to third place. Alright, next race. Twisted Mansion. Let's have a ghoulishly good time, guys. I got the doors open. Enter the mansion if you dare. You Serves you right, fucking Koopaling. If you get coins, they increase your speed a bit. Time to take out that little strawberry Pop-Tart right there. I mean peach when I say that. You fucking banana peel. So it would have hit me instead. So in case they have the item bot, the blue shell, this little sound destroyer can destroy it instantly. You fucker! Who shrunk me? First place, nice. Where does that put me at? Now I'm on top by just 2 points. 39. Well, Peach has 35 and Waluigi has 37 points. I like how Bowser's all the way in the dead bottom there with his 6 points. Yeah, we already know who's not going to be able to win this race. And that's a sim for Peach. Now the last race of the Flower Cup. Shy Guys. Wham, 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 wham. I love Shy Guys, they're just so freaking cute. She stole my coin! Hopefully it wasn't a Smurf turned into a gold coin. You saw the episode before. Oof! First of all, the banana peels weren't something that Donkey Kong could use, but anyone could use them actually. Because in Super Mario Kart, only certain characters can use certain items. But that isn't the case in this game, no, thankfully. Uh-huh. Now get that little purple annoyance. who the damn freaking shrunk me? Fine. But how is that possible? I just cheesed out Peach though, but Waluigi still freaking won. Oh, look at that! If that stupid blue shell had have targeted Waluigi instead of me, because I dropped out of first place, but the thing still linked me to it though for some reason. Edged out by just one freaking point, but second place is still good. Ugh. But if I won, it would have been first place. Oh my god. That's alright. So we got more America actually coming up. Yeah, just got cheesed out by 1 point. Because a stupid blue shell couldn't tell the difference between who was first place and who was second place. Not gonna lie though, that Firefire looks pretty good in silver. Yeah, but the blue shell couldn't tell the difference between me being in first place or second place. I was clearly in second place, I just dropped in second place, and the blue shell still linked to me anyway. Ugh. That's alright, do we have more America 8 action coming up still? Let's do the second race. And we'll do Mirror one more time. This time we'll do Donkey Kong. Pink Gold Peach that people just love to hate. I don't see the reason why. This time we'll do the opposite side. Just do Fruit Cup. I thought I was. What? I thought I was hooked up to the Switch Online expansion pack. What are you talking about, game? Because I renewed everything just months ago. Alright, I gotta go to my account and figure it out, but in the meantime, we'll do something else up here. I gotta figure that shit out, though. That's crazy. We'll do Lightning Cup. Because I know for a fact I have renewed my membership with the Switch Online service, because I'm still playing the apps on the Switch, too, with N64 and Game Boy Advance, so what's going on with that? Tick-tock clock. I couldn't make that poor Shy Guy fall off the edge of Peter Luigi got me. My turn to get him right back. I think the Shy Guy already got him first. Oh, let's go in the opposite direction where the pendulum about to come to. Damn it! Baby Mario Brothers. Time to take care of those toddler terrors of time travel. And Pendulum got his ass. Oh, don't get me. Oh, you fucking banana peel. Little baby screwed me up. That's alright. Pinko Peach got second place. I'm gonna call it right now. I'm seeing myself getting second place in this one like I did back with Daisy back in the Flower Cup. Let's see. It's a giant Esperanto plant. Way back in Mario Kart 7 days. The DS one was back in Mario Kart DS in 2005. This was released back in 2011. Oh. Got Toadette. How are you able to be lifted all the way up there, Ted? Thank you, Banana Peel Shield. Yeah, that opening left me a chance to get hit by the banana peel or shell. What's that? Oh, Metal Mario. Yeah, I noticed say that Metal Mario can move, but Pinko Peach can rock. Oh, not that way though. Baby Luigi. What tripped me up? If I was able to just drift like I should have, I would have actually won. Oh, but look at this though. We're tied at 24 points now. Metal Mario and Pinko Peach. Quite the metal couple there, it seems. Grumble Volcano, the Mario Kart Wii. Released back in 2008, I believe. This guy just ran right on top of me. I don't know who I hit though. Oh, good. About to hit your ass again. Go suck on your bottom instead of trying to win a freaking adult race. Oh. You. Oh. I wonder who fucking shrunk me. That was a disaster. Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Usually. Good. Oh, that damn powder boo. You know, I was so invested in the race, I just didn't even know what lap I was in anymore. I got that badly sidetracked, though. This is kind of like a repeat of the way it was back in the last race. I think I got 2 second places before I got the first place in the third race. Will I get second place in the fourth and final race of this circuit? Let's find out. Good old N64's Rainbow Road. At Star Fox 64, which is coming to my channel pretty soon too, by the way. Yeah, because I don't want to fall off this road here. What the fuck is that? Look at these damn green shells. Oh my god, a final lap. Doesn't matter. Does not matter at all. We got first place in the freaking Lightning Cup with Pink Gold Peach. Yes, the character that most people love to hate actually managed to win this race for me this time around. Nice. Oh. Nice. Nice. Oh, that looks freaking sweet there. That nice lightning cup, man, in gold. Sweet. You have collected 950 coins. A new vehicle customization option has been unlocked. Nice. So guys, that's the end for Mario Kart 8 Deluxe right now. I'm going to figure out what's going on with my account, why I can't open up the other races when I was able to do so before. You saw me too when you saw my videos back then, when we had the update. But until then guys, this is John B here. Take care and I'll see you again real soon.